Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today's August the 31st, 2021. Dogecoin. Man, let's talk about this real quick. Because look at my price prediction, right? I told you all that we was looking for the price of Dogecoin to go higher right there on August the 20th. And we got nothing but weakness instead. So in order for us to minimize this movement against our prediction, we need to come through and update each and every one of you about what is going on in the price for Dogecoin. So now, if today is your first time ever seeing our video and our content, man, hit us up, join the team, join the community, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. I want to take this small opportunity to say thank you to Amina. She or he is our newest artisan member. Welcome to the community. Thank you for the support. Hopefully you can continue to learn as much as possible, because this is supposed to be simple. Understanding price movement is supposed to be easy, and you should not be using technical indicators. Technical indicator causes you more confusion. So why would you want to go through that heartache just to try to learn a technical indicator that does not work all the time? Join us. All right. So now, real quick, look at this price. I mean, it's trash. The market has not given us what we expected it to do. Like I said, August the 20th was the last time we did our price prediction in Dogecoin, and man, the price continues to go down. At some point, you need to come to the realization and say, maybe I didn't get this right. Maybe my expectations did not play out as what I once thought it was. This is the case with Dogecoin, right? So right now, I don't see any strength coming to the market in Dogecoin. So in order for us to minimize more losses, we need to take it off the cut now, which is around 13.33% right there. Okay. So now let me talk about this though. I want to show you why I'm still seeing the weakness into the market in Dogecoin. Like many people won't tell you that. They will just continue to tell you to buy on a dip, and they want you to continue to come in and expect the price to always shoot to the moon. And that's not the case. Market does not operate that way. Many people wish it could, but it doesn't. Now, looking at this, okay, right there. August the 27th is one day that we've seen some indication that the market may get some more life in itself and try to push the price higher. Right there, August the 27th. But look at the following days after August the 27th, the 28th, the 29th, the 30th, and now even today, there's no strength involved into the market in Dogecoin. Like, it's been trying to go higher, but it just hasn't had the momentum to actually do it. And when that happens, you got to understand, you got to cut it, right? Because if you don't cut it, you're going to lose more soldiers in the war, and we cannot have that. So let's do this. Let's get rid of this prediction. It didn't go the way we expected it to go, and it will happen. But you know what? It didn't take us looking at some technical indicators to understand that, yeah, this play ain't going right. So let's take that away. All right. So now I wanted to show you all, because originally we wanted the price in Dogecoin to come up here towards 38, right? That was our expectation to see weakness. We told you that we would TP around 35, and both of those areas did not even get touched. That's the crazy part. The market did not even come to either of those price levels. It didn't go to 38, and it didn't even go to 35, right? So now we understand that the market weakness is in play in Dogecoin. Another thing is, take a look at this, right? Take a look at this. This is where the price in Dogecoin was able to hold support back in June of 2021. Even in May, the price was able to maintain 27.28 cents. Well, take a look at this. From August the 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, we got rejected on that same line. That tells me that the market in Dogecoin is having problems and big issues of going higher. So why would we expect the price to go up, right? Why? It doesn't make any sense. So now let me take this back up to 35 though, because I like that area being a bigger area of restriction for Dogecoin. Now, check this out. Are we in a downtrend, right? Can we follow this descending line in the market in Dogecoin? We sure can. This is the current move of Dogecoin. As long as the price in Dogecoin stays below this descending line, we already know where price is headed. It's just that simple. Now, You may see some people give you this, okay, which is the line I'm going to uphold. I'm not going to continue to watch the downward trend, but rather I want to see this price in Dogecoin come and bounce off of this ascending line. That is what I'm looking forward to, okay? So we're not that far. Literally the price will bring us toward like 25 cents. Once the market price hits 25 cents in Dogecoin, we understand that we can suspect that the trap is going to try to come in and prop up the price. Why? Because this is where the trend is. We started this trend all the way back in July. And now we're finally coming back to the point to where we're going to test it to see if the market wants to hold it, then move higher, or are we going to touch it and break down? It's just that simple. Those are the two options that we have on the table. Okay. So this is relatively easy and simple. Okay. This is the 2-day time frame in Dogecoin. And so far, yes, the market is weak, but it's not extremely weak that I'm looking for this price to break this ascending line. I'm not seeing that yet, but it is something that we can see come to fruition, especially as this weakness continues to exhibit itself. Okay. Now this is the 3-day time frame in the market in Dogecoin, and over the last 5 3-day price bars, price has been closing lower than the previous 3-day price bar. Cool. We're still weak in the market in Dogecoin. It's just that simple. So we're going to play the weakness. Now it may not be much. Okay. Like I told you, 25 cents is where we're looking for that price to come in and try to grab some support. So that's about 8.87% movement to the downside from where price is currently. Our first area of restrictions is around 30 cents right there. Okay. Now, like I said, I'm going to bring it all the way up here towards 35 because that's the biggest area of restriction in the market in Dogecoin. 25 cents will be our first area TP. TP simply means to take the profit, take the bag from the trap and place it right back into our account. I'm going to decrease it just slightly for the ultimate area TP, which is around, what is that? 22 and a half cents. We'll do it there. Okay. So this is the play right here in the market for Dogecoin. This is it. This is the expectations of what we're seeing on the market in terms of where we're looking for the price to go. So now I want to know, you're on our team, you're part of our community. Let me know, what do you all see in price for Dogecoin? Where in the world is this market going to go? So that we can ensure that everyone in our community is able to eat and dominate the cryptocurrency space. Mind you, without being confused. Hit me up. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.